What's going on, fam? It's your boy Al. Y'all tuned in for another video, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe and hit that post notification bell. It's a special video today, man. My mom done pulled up on me to see the Hellcat. About to take her on her first ride in the Hellcat, see how she like it. We might try to get her to do a donut or something. We gonna see. Ooh.
Okay. Buckle up for safety.
Yeah, definitely buckle up. Hold that right there. Be able to see both of us. How you like this interior?
Love it.
Love it. I was gonna get red, but
This is the color I need.
I seen this, and it's still dangerous. You need black. You need to stick to black for sure.
How fast have you gone?
And this, I can't remember, like 130, 140 on the way back. Shit, I ain't been able to drive. It's been raining every day. We had fun on the drive back.
I'm sure y'all did.
It was fun. We had to cut out some parts on the video, but yeah, we had fun. What the hell is they doing? Yeah, it's finally nice out. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow.
Oh, shit.
That's why that price tag like that.
I see now.
Buddy right there got one too. He been driving back and forth, back and forth. Also, y'all, if y'all on the market to buy a house, sell your house, or anything with a house, we got the best realtor.
Holla at your girl.
In Ohio right here. If you in what's your area? Cincinnati, Dayton, Columbus.
Yep.
If you in those areas looking to sell your house for a good price and sell it fast, it's the person to get in contact with.
Sellwithstrickland.com.
Say it one more time.
Sellwithstrickland.com.
We're gonna put that in the description. Make sure y'all go tap in with her if you got any housing questions, or if you're looking to flip a house, or looking to buy your first rental property or your first investment property. It's the perfect person to talk to. She know everything. She even got a book. Is your book online or just straight hard
If you
copy?
go to my website, sellwithstrickland.com, you can click and get a copy of my book for free.
So yeah, we're gonna put that on there, and yeah, tap in if y'all need any housing stuff. Turn it around right here. Yeah, I need to start working on getting I need to call and see about getting it wrapped. I've been so busy, I ain't had time to do nothing. Get it wrapped, put my music in here. I want to get some wheels for it, probably some black wheels. What you laughing at me?
The way you was jerking me.
My bad. Too much for you?
Yeah. I'll stick with the Lexus.
I seen, me and Otto went to Manhunt yesterday. I seen one, but it was from New York. I'm like, she ain't gonna want that.
No.
It was from New York. I'm gonna find you one all-wheel drive. You said you want to drive yours out to the end of the summer, right?
Yeah. I'm probably just gonna keep it, for real.
How you just gonna keep it? That's your pickup truck.
Yeah.
How you drive back? We're gonna see what she do with it. Oh. We're gonna see if she punch on it, see if she gonna or she gonna baby it back. think that this one, you think this one ain't that got enough space. That Challenger really small. You can't even get in the backseat of one of those.
Ain't got no gas, do you?
No, it's a gas guzzler.
I bet.
Gas guzzler. The first hour back, it was already on half a tank.
The first hour.
The first hour.
She was probably punching it too.
Yeah, we was punching. Then me and Otto was out yesterday. Yes, we was somewhere in the middle of nowhere. They had some expensive gas. I put 20 in, like this would get us back. Why when we got back, it was on E again. Alright, just hit it a little bit. If it start getting sideways, just let out.
I'm not even doing that.
Oh, she's scared, y'all. She ain't gonna hit it for y'all, man. You can already feel it, can't you?
Yeah. Where Jade at? I gotta take her on her first ride too. Everybody done rode, and I think but her, we're gonna get her on her first ride. Get her reaction. Definitely don't let her hit it.
Nah, she can't even get behind the wheel. She be curving wheels, and she the pothole queen. She the wheel destroyer. We gonna leave her in the passenger seat. For sure. I seen Jade out in the comments, put your seatbelt on. We got our seatbelts on for you, Miss Jade, right here. Seatbelts. We're about to go see how this renter did the Camaro. Check her out. Somebody just returned a Camaro from Turo. Let's see if they brought it back in good condition, if they filled the gas tank up. I just had to charge somebody else, so they brought a car back half full. And they be mad when you charge them. You should have got filled it up with gas.
Do you ever let them go and fill it up?
It'd be too late. Like if you already there, then yeah. But most of the time, I ain't got time for that. I'm trying to fill it up, get it sitting back there clean and ready to go for the next customer. So I know if you rented a car and you got it and it was on a half a tank, you'd be like, this is bull.
Right.
And then when you do that, you tell them to bring it back at the same mark, but that's hard to do. Bringing it back full is much simpler, much easier. And we back just like that, y'all. So what you think of it? You
Nice.
like it?
Yeah.
Nice? Worth the money?
Yes.
You guess? You said you ready to get that new Escalade, huh?
That's right.
She ready to get that new Escalade, y'all. Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all go subscribe to the page, man. We got more content coming for y'all, man. Hit that post notification bell, man. And we'll be back with y'all, man. Make sure y'all tune back in. Peace.